Hi, everybody. My name is Mikayla.Williams, and I am from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'm 23 years old. I received my bachelor's from Temple University in criminal justice and psychology. Professionally, now I am a KUA case manager for a DHS contract company called Turning Points for Children. I manage a caseload and I basically provide services to families and I ensure the safety of children that are involved in the DHS system. What I most enjoy learning about in my past courses is anything that relates to how to be a more effective social worker because I take those things that I learn in my classes and apply them to my own clients in everyday life. And I like being able to do that. I feel like it helps me grow as a social work professional, and I feel like my clients really do benefit from the things that I learn in my classes. Um, what I'm most looking forward to is learning about social work policy and law. As I mentioned before, my bachelor's is in criminal justice. I'm very passionate about both social work and criminal justice, and I'm very excited to learn about how the two work together. I hope you guys have an awesome semester, and I hope to have many amazing discussions with you all. Good luck to everyone.